Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the very first time, my name is Pabi and thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't leave without clicking that red subscribe button so that you become a member of this family. In today's video, we are getting a bit crafty and I'll be playing around with some clay to create something really cute for your home. I think by now you know how much I really love home decor. It is something that you can use in your home in various ways. I will show you right at the end. Without wasting too much time, let's get straight into the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
much, guys, for tuning in. Before I show you the end product, I do want to say that I had a few cracks in the clay project itself. I'm not quite sure what I did wrong, but I am attributing it a lot to the fact that I used an oven instead of letting it air dry by itself, because that's what I normally do with my other clay projects. I'm not quite sure, but I will, try to figure it out and then share that with you guys in the next video. But other than that, I absolutely love it. And if you did watch right until the end, I really do appreciate your love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!